Thursday, April 9th, e-learning, the story of an eyewitness, just an excerpt from an article that Jack London wrote about the San Francisco 1906 earthquake. You guys remember reading him for A Call of the Wild, so you get to read another article of his. Okay, so what made Jack London a skilled fiction writer was also what made him a skilled literary nonfiction writer. A literary nonfiction is a type of prose that employs the literary techniques usually associated with fiction or poetry to report on persons, places, and events in the real world. These literary techniques may include imagery, metaphor, repetition, symbolism, etc. The genre of literary nonfiction includes travel writing, nature writing, science writing, sports writing, biography, autobiography, memoir, and then familiar and personal essay, opinion, the list goes on. So you're going to read his story of an eyewitness about the earthquake, and then you're going to answer the 4 questions about his text.